Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Language Basket. So today in this video we are going to learn few summer beach items. Beach ball, sand castle, flip flops, beach towel, bucket, pool float, beach bag, swimsuit, boat, lighthouse, umbrella, beach chair, wave, palm tree, beach hut, seashell, sunscreen, ice cream, seagull, sunglasses. That's all for this video. I hope you guys liked it. Thanks for watching.